This is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share items on Amazon. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Anyone who's ever tried to sell anything on Amazon knows that it can be a little confusing to share your items or somebody's item with the world. Do you just post a link on the social media, share it in a group? How do you make sure people see your products or other product and not someone else? So in this video, I'll show you how to share items or products from Amazon to your friend through your through link or maybe social media. It's very simple. So first of all, we have to open our Amazon. Now you can just choose on the items that you want to share. Maybe for the example, I will try to share these items. This one. And here you can see there's like share icon on the products or items. You can just tap on that. And in here you can just choose where you want to share these products. You want to share it from link, you can copy the link, or WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, Snapchat. For example, we just choose on copy link. So the link you can share to your from your WhatsApp like this. So your friend can see this product. When they tap on the link, they will directly going to this product on Amazon. It's very simple, right? And also, if you maybe you find some interesting products on your Amazon, for example, take this. Maybe you find this item is so cheap, you can just tap on the product, and you can share it with your friends by tap the share icon in here and just do the same thing. You can copy the link or just share it to the social media like WhatsApp, Messenger, or others. It's very simple, right? So that is how to share how to share products on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.